On July the 4th, the country voted for change. Yeah. This government was given a mandate to restore stability to our economy and to begin a decade of national renewal. Yeah. To fix the foundations and deliver change through responsible leadership in the national interest. That is our task, and I know that we can achieve it. There are no shortcuts, and to deliver that investment, we must restore economic stability and turn the page on the last 14 years. Yeah. This is not the first time that it has fallen to the Labour Party to rebuild Britain. In 1945, it was the Labour Party that rebuilt our country from the rubble of the Second World War. In 1964, it was the Labour Party that rebuilt Britain with the white heat of technology. And in 1997, it was the Labour Party that rebuilt our schools and hospitals. Today, it falls to this Labour Party, to this Labour government, to rebuild Britain once again.